Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you on a gray Wednesday afternoon from Battery Park City. Otherwise, right behind me, it's the New York Mercantile Exchange CME Group floor. And I'm going to start by saying this. Yes, I know both the Mets and Islanders lost yesterday, so stop rubbing it in. Okay, stop it. Because stocks are seeing another trading session in the red. That's more important right now. This amid a series of mixed data reports. It's also nearly that time. It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. I want to get out of here and have a drink. Why? Because it's happy hour in New York City. Now, U.S. stocks, they again are on the downside this Wednesday afternoon over at the New York Stock Exchange. This amid a series of mixed economic reports. But since we're at the NYMEX today, let's start with oil prices. It's only fitting. Crude right now struggling for gains. Earlier, weekly EIA inventory showing a rise of 2.8 million barrels. Inventories, that's right, for the week to April 29th, came in at 543.4 million barrels. That's a build by nearly 1 million. Currently, crude trading at $43.92 a barrel. That's up 0.62%. Meanwhile, we have ourselves another session where it's all about data. ISM non-manufacturing for April coming in at 55.7 above expectations and rising from March's 54.5 read. The final April read on market services PMI rising to 52.8 from 51.3 in March. Factory orders rising more than expected 1.1% in March. Still going on. Barclays first quarter GDP tracking estimate rising to 0.9% after the factory orders report. And there's even more. Ahead of the highly anticipated non-farm payrolls report on Friday, ADP employment, that's private payrolls, for the month of April, missing expectations with a decline from the previous month to 156,000. And we also had the March trade deficit coming in at $40.4 billion and first quarter productivity declining at an annual rate of 1%. Now you team all of that, and that's a lot, with the combination of gold prices continuing to see a slight rise, then you have yourself a session right now where 3 stocks are in the red for every 2 advancers over at the big board. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this third to last trading session of the week. And with that stated, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. It's still raining in the Northeast, so stay dry. Beside that, let's go Mets. How can you lose to Atlanta yesterday? And by the way, if you don't know, we also have another new member. He's not on camera. His name is Ronald, and I'll just leave it at that. I'll show you a picture very soon, okay? All right. For Modern Wall Street saying I'll see you guys all tomorrow, I'm James Sweeney.